Close your eyes and imagine that you are walking through the mist along a sandy beach to the seashore. You find yourself on soft, hot white sand, and in front of you, you see the endless waters of the blue sea. This place characterizes life itself. You only see a small portion of it in front of you. This is your past and present, while the endlessness that lies ahead of you is your future. The mist covers everything around, and you can't see the local beauty. The sands of time spread out to your right and left, and you want nothing more than to be here on the shore. Breathe the pure and fresh salty air, and feel the water's moisture. Turn your head and look to the left. There you see the sands of the past, but there is mist over them that stops you from peering further into the past. When you look to the right, you see the sands of the future, but the mist also stops you from peering further that way. Now you walk along the shore to the left, along the sands of time, in order to look more closely at your past. You walk into the mist, and it surrounds you completely. It is pleasant, gentle, and fresh, like puffs of white steam. Stop and feel it with every centimeter of your body. The mist gets thinner for a moment, and you can see what's there. Events, people, pictures, symbols, songs, and images. You are aware of everything that is happening as if you were there right now. You can hear all the sounds, smell the aromas, and feel something familiar with your sense of touch. You meet someone from your past. You feel the sensations in their body, emotions, thoughts, tastes, and physical feelings. All the senses are engaged. All the images that appear are extremely pleasant for you. Now the mist has fully dispersed, and you find yourself in a key event of your past that seriously influenced your present life. Look at it carefully. Do you remember what you were thinking about then? How strong were your emotions? Try to imagine how your life would be if this event hadn't happened. You immerse yourself ever deeper. The images of the distant past flash before you. The mist appears again, and it gets thicker. The images become blurred, and you wander out further. Now imagine that the sands of time start to fly from side to side. The clock hands run backwards, and the reel of time winds back to the most pleasant event of your past. Now the wheel of time starts to spin slowly without rushing, simply showing you the series of events. Close your eyes in your virtual body. Open them again. Now you are 14. Remember a day that imprinted itself on your memory. How did it influence you? How would you like to change the events of that day? Would it have been possible to do this? How necessary was it? In the state you are in now, you can move faster, change events and places, or change the events themselves. Remember that you have enough time. All you need is to want to work on some event. Now collect all the events that you've just remembered together. Look at them again. Focus on every detail of the events. Now make it so that the characters and moments from the past that we've just encountered return to their past, to the space where they came from. Thank them for the information they gave you, that they were ready to help you understand how they influenced you. Remember that everything you have encountered belongs to the past, and that after letting it come through the mist and through your consciousness, we are leaving it in the past. It is as if we opened an old book of instructive fairy tales so we could use the information from them in our present life. Everything you have analyzed will help you to live more easily and isn't going to bother you anymore.